Today's a good day for the hills. What are you thinking, Christina?
I'm actually feeling like the beach, Dad. What about you?
Really?
Yeah? Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
We're at the lovely Silver Sands Beach. And what are we going to be cooking today?
Today we're going to be cooking some Vongole spaghetti, which is going to be delicious. So we're actually going to try and see if we can find some ourselves.
Okay, let's go. Oh, wow.
Oh, look!
Okay.
Well, that's a
just
good
another
catch for the day.
just another dozen to go. So what have we found here, Christina?
So we've actually, after about 12 minutes of foraging, we found some more Vongole, which is great, and we're going to cook these with some garlic, olive oil and some white wine, and then all of the juices are going to sort of mould in with everything else, and it's going to taste delicious.
So let's get that underway. Starting with a bit of garlic and some salt.
So we want to use some sea salt flakes, generous amount just on top of some garlic cloves, and then I usually use the flat part of my knife, and you just want to give them a nice flatten, like a squidge. And then we want to use the sharp end of the blade to scrape the garlic in with the salt.
A little bit of this lovely mustard habanero supplied by Paul Hollander, famous traveller and chili grower. And we're going to use a little bit of this lovely local olive oil supplied by our friends Francis and Michael in Victoria.
Thanks, guys.
So away we go.
Cool. So we're going to go in with some olive oil. We're just going to get that nice and hot first, and then we're going to add in our garlic. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our nicely shredded garlic. That's going to go into the hot oil, and we're just going to give that a little bit of a stir around so we don't burn the garlic, because you don't want it to be bitter, but it's going to taste really, really good. Okay, so now that our garlic has started to cook a little bit in the hot olive oil, but it hasn't browned, we're going to add in our freshly caught vongole. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's a really good sign. That means they're starting to pop open. We're just going to have a lid on here. We're just going to give that a nice stir through to get all of those flavours nicely.
Looking good.
By the way, we're having this basically for brunch, so be jealous, everybody. Now we're going to go in with a nice splash of white wine, and that's just going to cook down really, really nicely. And then all of the juices are going to pop up open out of the vongole, and we're going to have a really nice, subtle, sweet taste of the sea. And then we're going to go in with some fresh parsley, because fresh parsley makes everything better. That looks really, really good. And then we're going to put a lid on, and we're just going to let them steam for a little while.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh man, they're smelling good. Yum. Can you see all those really nice juices in the bottom there? That's from all of the vongoles come out. And now we're going to add our pasta in. So we've got some nice hot spaghetti. And we're going to add that in and give it some little bit of sea salt just for some extra flavour, and then we're going to add in a tiny little bit of our chili, and this is some of the really, really spicy. And now we're just going to add a little bit of lemon zest, so it's just going to give it a really nice freshness. And I've got a nice microplane here, which is going to zest it really finely. Perfect. Perfect. go, Dad. So we have our finished spaghetti Vongole here, and it is smelling absolutely delicious. You can see these nice little shells there. They're having a lovely party in there. And we're going to have some locally sourced white wine with it, and that's going to be really nice here.
Cheers.
Sticky.
Nice and tea. Let's tuck in. Honestly,
There's nothing better than that. No, not even joking.
these guys are really good. They're super sweet.
And best way to eat
They're only
these is
tiny.
probably by your hands.
Gotta eat the flake. Oh,
Taste that seed.
I wish you could all be here.
Nice and big too.
Yeah, well, look at that, baby. Look at that. And they even come freshly gutted. Oh my god. Oh, that's a bit awkward. Oh. Anyway, local special at the Silver Sands this week. All your fish comes fresh and gutted from the sea. See you next time.